Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the today's maths video class. In the previous class we have solved so many problems. Up to 8th problem we have finished. So now we have to solve some 9th problem. See, it is while I am explaining, means while you are watching the video, take your textbook and open this exercise. And while I am reading the question, you have to observe the question also from your textbook. Okay, here I am just writing for explaining only question here. Okay, so you must keep the textbook before you. It is better to understand the question properly. Okay, so a brooch is made with the silver wire. Brooch means it is one type of ornament in the shape of circle, like a ring, pin, ladies using pin like here ladies using the one type of ornament. Like in necklace it will one dollar will come. That all that type of dollars and are calling as a brooch. So this brooch is made with the silver. With the silver only they made. Okay. So in the form of a circle, they made in the form of a circle of 35 millimeters diameter. Okay. So they made this brooch with the in the form of circle with not radius, it is diameter. It is diameter of 35 millimeters. So the wire is used in the making 5 diameters which divide. So how they used the wire means they are taking the wire that is equal to the 5 diameters. 5 diameters. Okay. For this is one wire with the 35 mm. Like this they are taking 5 diameters wire they are taking, and they make like this in the shape of circle. Okay. And also it is divided into the 10 equal circles. After this circle shaped brooch divided into 10 sectors. So now what we will do means we have to find the length of the silver wire. Total length they are used to make that brooch. Means they are how much wire they are using to make in the making of this circle shaped silver wire brooch. Okay, means see that here it is given that the diameter of circle is equal to D is equal to 35 mm means millimeters. Then radius is equal to D by 2, that will be 35 by 2 millimeters. Now we have to find the length of the silver wire. First one, length of the silver wire is equal to how much wire they are using. Okay, now we have to find the total length of this wire. How much wire? 5 diameters wire they used. So means 5 into diameter plus length means that is the circumference of the circle. So plus circumference. Okay. Now this will be 5 into diameter means 35. Circumference means it will be 2 pi r. Okay. So for this 5 into 35, 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15. 175 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. 7 1 is 7 5 is. That is 175 plus 2 5 is 10 into 22. That will be 175 plus how much? This is 220. 220, 175. That is 395 millimeters. This is length of the wire they used in the making of this circular brooch. Length of this silver wire. Now we have to find the area of sector. How many sectors are there? But there is no, to find the sector, area of sector, we need angle and radius. Radius means we have no radius 35 by 2 from the diameter. But where is the angle? Angle means here each sector, this notch is in the shape of circle, and this is already in the question it is given that it is divided into 10 equal part sectors, 10 equal sector. So here the total angle divided into 10 equal angles. So total angle is 60 degrees. Now there are 10 equal sectors. So the angle in the each sector means total sector at the center is 360 degrees. Each sector means in one sector, for example for this sector 360 by 10, 0 0 cancel, that will be 36. So angle is 30 degrees. Now we can find the area of each sector. Second one, area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 36 into 36. This will be 0, 36 1 ja, 36 10 ja. Okay, 2 5 ja to 11 ja. It will be 11 into 36 into 36 by 5. You have to multiply 36 into 36. 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18, 21. 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja 19, 10. 6 9 2 1 2 9 6 into 11. So 6 9 2 1 time 1 2 9 6. That will be 15 12 4 1. That is 1 4 2 5 6 by 5. You have to divide. So 1 4 2 5 6 by 5. 5 2 is 10. It will be 4 2 5 8 is 40 2 5 5 5 is 25. Next 6 5 1 is 5 1.02. That is 2851.5 centimeter squares. Okay, like this. So problem is very small, but if you understand the question properly means you can solve. Okay, now let us solve the 10th question. Yes, now let us see the 10th question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming that umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeters, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of umbrella. So here umbrella is in the shape of circle. Ribs means some iron rods are there. So it every between two consecutive that iron rods, it is looks like a sector. See that? So if let circle is in the shape of umbrella, so in that how many ribs are there? 8 ribs like this. Total like this 8 ribs are there. Okay, so radius of this circle is 45 centimeters, and we have to find the area between the two consecutive ribs. This is one rib, this is all 8 ribs are there. Okay, between two consecutive ribs means this is one rib, this is one rib. These two consecutive ribs, this will be the area of sector, and this will be the, and this will be the, and this all, how many sectors are there? 8 sectors are there. So to find this area, each area of between 8 ribs means this will be the area of sector. To find the area of sector, we need radius and angle. Angle, how can we find? Here how much total? 360 angle is there. This 360 angle becomes into 8 equal parts means there are 8 ribs are there. That's why it will become 8 ribs. So that, see, given that the radius of circle is equal to r is equal to 45 centimeters. Okay. Now the angle in the sector is equal to, before that, see that how many ribs are there? Here there are 8 ribs are there. There are 8 ribs in the umbrella. That's why then angle in sector becomes theta becomes 360 by 8. Okay, it will be 4 2s 4 9s 2 1s 245. That is, it will be the 45 degrees. Now we have to find the area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella equal to area of sector. Okay, so the area in between the two consecutive ribs becomes area of sector. That will be theta by 360 into pi r square. That equal to, theta is 45 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. This is 9 5s 9 4s 5 1s 5 8s. Okay, so this is 2 4s to 11s. This will be 11 into 45 into 45 into 7 4s 28. Now 45 into 45, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 18. 5 2 10 2 into 11. 11 means 5 2 0 2 2 0 2 5. It will be 5 7 2 2 2. That will be 2 2 2 7 5 by 28 centimeter squares. Otherwise, you can divide this number by 28. You will get in decimal form. Okay, this is the question. Now let us see the 11th question. A car has 2 wipers which has not overlapped. Each wiper has a blade. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Okay, so whenever we observe the car on the mirror, there are 2 wipers will be there. Okay, they will clean the mirror. Okay, when water will fall on the mirror. So for example, like one wiper is there like this one wiper is there of length 25 centimeters. For example, it will swiping from here to here. It will swipe some area. So some area. Then here one angle is formed. It is given that 115 degrees. Okay, this is one blade, and one more blade is there. This is also of 25 centimeters length, and it will also swiping and cleaned some area like this. So this much area they will clean like this. Okay, and here also it makes 115 degrees. Then find the cleaned area each sweep of a blade. In a single sweep, how much area the total blades will clean the mirror? We have to find. See, it looks like a sector. If we have to find the area of sector, means that will be the area cleaned by the wiper in one sweep. Okay, so let us see here. The radius of the circle. The radius of circle is equal to length of the wiper. That is equal to R is equal to 25 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, angle is equal to theta is equal to 150 degrees. Okay. Now, what is the total area? Total area cleaned by two wipers. Two wipers. How many wipers? Two wipers. At each sweep. At each sweep. That is equal to how many? Two wipers makes two sectors at each sweep. So 2 into area of sector. Okay. So this is 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square. 2 1 ja 2 180 ja. So theta means 115 by 180 degrees into 22 by 7 into radius is 25 into 25. Okay. This is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. This is 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 35. Okay, this is 5 7s are 5 5s are. So now, see that no cancellation. Now here it is 23 into 22 into 5 into 25 by 7. Okay. Now see 25 5 is 125. So 23 into 22 becomes 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 86, 6 40, 946 into 25 5 is 125 by 7. So you have to multiply these two numbers and divide by 7 7 is 49. 2 7 here 1 7 here 1 7. 7 7 is 49. After multiplying these two, you can multiply by 49. Then you will get the total area swept by the two wipers at each sweeping. Okay. So I hope that you understand. These are the 10th and 11th questions. Next, now we will discuss the 12th question also. Okay, now let us solve the problem number 12. That is to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red-colored light over a sector of an angle 80 degrees to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. It means there is a lighthouse in the sea. That light will give the warning to the ships which are in under rocks. Okay. So by seeing that light, the ships will reach the bank of the river. Okay. So like that, one lighthouse is there. That lighthouse spreads a red-colored light over a sector. Like one light is there, it will give the. For example, it is a light. It will give the light like this. Okay. Like that lighting spreads like a sector with the angle of 80 degrees. Okay. At a distance of, for example, there is a ship. This light will goes up to 16.5 kilometers. Okay. So with the lighting of this lighthouse, there will form a sector with the radius 16.5 kilometers. See that? For example, like this one circle is there. For example, it is a lighthouse. From this light is going like this. This is like a lighthouse. Light. Okay. So this is with a distance of 16.5. That will be the radius of centimeters. And this will make how much angle? 80 degrees. So we have to find the area of the sea over which ships are warned. So we have to find this area. This area will warmed by this lighthouse. Okay, all the ships will warmed by this much of light. By taking this light, they will reach. Okay, so we have to simple. Nothing is there. From this question, we will make one sector. Okay, with the radius of 16.5 and with the angle of 80 degrees. Simply here we have to find the area of sector. That we have to understood by the given question. So given that the radius of circle becomes the distance of lighthouse. Therefore radius is equal to 16.5 kilometers and the angle in a sector is equal to theta is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, so a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector. It is given so that the area of the light covered, by light is equal to area of sector. Area of sector means theta by 360 into pi r square. That is theta is 80 degrees by 360 degrees into, in this problem it is given that use 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. 0 0 cancel. 4 2s are 4 9s. Okay, this is 2 by 9 into like this. So we have to multiply everything this. 2 into 3.14 into 2. 2 4 j 2 1 j 2. 2 3s are 6 into what is the 16.5 into 16.5? 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 plus 2 32, 5 1s are 5 8, 6 5s are 30. Okay, 6 6s are 36, 3 39, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. With 1 6 5 2. This is 14 22. 2, that is 22. 14 plus 2. So this is 17. 2. So after 2 digits, 272.25. So 6.28 into 272.25 by 9. You have to multiply. This is into 272 in 0.25 into 6.28. Okay, divided by divided by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20, 8 2s are 16, 18, 8 7s are 56, 57, 8 2s are 16, 5 21. Next 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, it is 5 by 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 6 2s are 12 1 13, 6 7s are 42 43, 6 2s are 12, that is 16. So 0 0, this is 3, this is 9 13 20, 5 5 10, this is 7 7 10 11 7 1. This is 171000300 by 9 centimeter squares. You have to multiply this one, divide by this one, you will get the answer. So after dividing See this 1700 will come here after 4 digits we have to take. This is 170 here point will come. 1710.3 by 9. After dividing by 9 you will get this answer. Okay, once check it. Okay, this one 12th one is over. Next we have to discuss the 13th question. Yes, now let us see the 13th question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. How many equal designs? 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of cover is 28 centimeters, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35. Means there is a table cover in the shape of circle. So there is a table cover in the shape of circle. Okay. So this table cover having 6 designs. See like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, like this some designs. 6 designs are there. Like this some designs are there. Okay. So, to make these designs, it will be some cost. Okay. So, we have to find how much cost it will be for making these designs. Okay, at the rate of 1 cent for 1 centimeter squares, the cost is given, it is 0.3.5. Okay, and also it is given that the radius of the circle is 28 centimeters. For example, let it be center, then this will be the radius. How much it is given? 28 centimeters. Okay, so this design part is the minor segment. See, observe, when we observing carefully, this design part will be the minor segment. So how can we get this? This area means if we find the area of this sector and area of this triangle, after that if you subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector, simply you can get the area of this designing part means minor segment. Okay, so let us try to find the first area of sector. To find the area of sector we need angle also. Okay, but in the question itself it is not given. Okay, nothing is given about the angle, but here it is given that the total, how many designs are there? 6 designs are there. If we join like this, this circle will divide into 6 equal sectors. 6 equal sectors. Means here the total angle is 360 degrees. 360 by 60 means it will be the each angle in each sector. It will be the angle in each sector. Okay. Now see that the radius of circle is equal to R is equal to 28 centimeters, and also it is given that the circle has 6 equal designs. 6 equal designs means angle in each sector is equal to theta is equal to 360 by 6. That is 6 1 just 6 6 that is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Now it is easy to find the area of this minor sector. So area of minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. That will be theta is 60 degrees by 360 into how much? This is 22 by 7 into what is that? R is 28 into 28. 0 0 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 7 1 ja 7 4 ja 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. So this will be 22 into 2. It is 44 into 28 by 3. That is equal to 28 into 44 becomes 4 8 ja 32, 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11. 1 1 2 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 by 3. This is the area of minor sector. Then we need the area of triangle. Observe here, this angle we got to 60 degrees. These two sides equal means this remaining angles also become equal. Equal means this will be 60 and this will be 60. Why? Already one problem we have solved in the previous problems, same like this only. So this will be the 60 and 60. So this then this angle of this side also becomes 28. Then this triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. So the triangle in the sector is an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. Then it is easy to find the area of equilateral triangle, that is by using the formula root 3 by 4. So area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. This is equal to root 3 by 4. What is the a here? 28. Side. A means side. It is 28. Means 28 into 28. 4 1 ja, 4 7 ja. That is, see that 7 8 ja, 56. 7 2 ja, 14. 196 root 3. 196 root 3 it is. So here in the question itself it is given that use root 3 is equal to 1.7. Okay, so that we can use that 196 into 1.7. You just multiply 196 into 1.7. 7 6 ja 42, 7 9 ja 63, 67, 7 1 ja 7 3 13. That is 196, 2, 13, 13, 3. 333.2. That is equal to 333.2 centimeter squares. This is the area of triangle. Now it is easy to find the area of this one designing part. So one designing part means it is equal to the remaining 5 designing parts. So directly we can write area of 6 designing parts. 6 design parts. That is equal to 6 means 6 into. So one designing part how we will get from the area of sector minus area of triangle. This will be 6 into area of sector is 1232 by 3 minus this is 333.2. This will be multiply with 6. 6 into 1232 by 3 minus 6 into 333.2. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Multiply 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 9, 6 3 ja 18 1 plus 9, 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 9. So 1999.2. Now subtract this. 2464.0. Here after point 1 digit is there. That's why I am taking after point 10. 1999.2. This is 8. This is 3. 3 means 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 it is 4. 5. 15 minus 9. Here 5 is there. 15 minus 9 it is 6. Here also 13 is there. That is equal to 13 minus 9. It will be 4. 464.8 centimeter squares. Okay, this is the area of 6 designing parts. Okay, Now what we have to find the cost of making designs at the rate of 0.35 rupees for 1 centimeter square. For 1 centimeter square, the cost is cost of designs per 1 centimeter square, it will be rupees 0.35. Then what is the cost of total designing? The cost of making the designs means we have to multiply 0.35. The total cost of making designs, 6 designs is equal to 464. What is the total area of the 6 designs? 464.8 into, for 1 centimeter square it will be 0.35. Okay. Now you can multiply this 464.8 into 0.35. 5 8 ja 40, 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 24, 5 6 ja 30 plus 2 32, 5 4 ja 20 plus 3 23. Next by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24, 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 14, 3 6 ja 18 plus 19, 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13. Next it will be 0 0 0 0. This is equal to 0 8 6 12 6 1. After 3 digits 1 2 3, 162.68. This is the total cost for finding the for making the designs, 6 designs of the round table cover. Okay, so I hope that you understand. After this we have to solve the next problem, that is 14th problem, last problem in the exercise. Now let us see the 14th question. This is the last question from the exercise. With this problem we can finish the exercise 12.2. Take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector. We have to find the area of sector with the angle P and the radius of the circle be R. Okay. What is the formula of area of sector? First you write. You should you forgot about these options. With our own knowledge, write the area of sector. What is the area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Here what is the angle is P by 360 into pi. What is the radius is given, that capital R square. See, this formula is there in our options. Now this is P by 180. So it is not. So this is P by 180 and also it is 2 pi r is there. So this option is absolutely wrong. So here P 180 is there, but here okay, pi r square is there, but here 180 is there. So this is also completely wrong. So here 360 is there, but it is 2 pi r, but this is area no. So this is also wrong. But this is P by 720 is there. Here 2 pi r square is there. See, after cancellation 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 0. It will be P by 360 into pi r square. Our formula we got. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, this is only multiple choice. Okay, so by this problem we have finished exercise 12.2. In the next class we will discuss the formula, the problems from exercise 12.3. Those problems related to the combination of triangles, circles, like that. Okay, so okay students, I hope that you understand all these problems. To the given problems, homework problems, I think I gave 6th and 8th, 7th problem. Some problems I given. Once you have to solve the problems and send in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.